The world is changing. Every day we witness new advancements in technology, shifts in the job market, and evolving ways of living. The pace of change is accelerating, and it's transforming how we work and live. People are seeking extra income. In today's economy, many are looking for ways to supplement their earnings. Whether it's to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or simply to have a financial cushion, the need for additional income streams is more pressing than ever. They are starting side hustles, from online stores to freelance gigs. People are leveraging their skills and passions to create new opportunities. These side hustles not only provide extra income but also offer a sense of fulfillment and purpose. This allows for more freedom. Imagine working from anywhere in the world, setting your own hours, and being your own boss. The flexibility that comes with side hustles is unparalleled, giving people the freedom to live life on their own terms. It can also bring in more money. With the right strategy and tools, side hustles can become lucrative ventures. Many have turned their part-time projects into full-time businesses, achieving financial independence and stability. Technology is a big part of this shift. The digital age has provided us with tools and platforms that make it easier than ever to start and grow a business. From social media to e-commerce platforms, technology is the backbone of modern side hustles. We have access to powerful tools. These tools can automate tasks, streamline processes, and connect us with a global audience. They are the enablers of our entrepreneurial dreams, making it possible to achieve more with less effort. One of these tools is ChatGPT. This advanced AI assistant is revolutionizing the way we work. It can help with a wide range of tasks, from generating content to providing customer support, making it an invaluable asset for any side hustle. ChatGPT is an AI assistant. It uses natural language processing to understand and respond to queries, making it feel like you're interacting with a human. This can enhance customer experiences and streamline your workflow. It can help you build a successful side hustle. By taking on repetitive tasks, ChatGPT frees up your time to focus on what truly matters, growing your business and achieving your goals. ChatGPT can save you time. Time is one of our most valuable resources, and ChatGPT helps you make the most of it. By automating routine tasks, you can dedicate more time to strategic planning and creative endeavors. It can also boost your creativity. With ChatGPT handling the mundane, you can unleash your creative potential. Whether it's brainstorming new ideas or refining existing ones, this AI assistant can be your creative partner. This lets you focus on earning. With more time and creative energy, you can concentrate on activities that generate income. ChatGPT helps you work smarter, not harder, maximizing your earning potential. You can work smarter, not harder. Efficiency is key in today's fast-paced world. ChatGPT provides the support you need to optimize your workflow, ensuring you get the most out of every minute. The possibilities are endless with ChatGPT. From content creation to customer service, the applications of this AI assistant are vast. It can adapt to your needs, making it a versatile tool for any entrepreneur. This is your chance to join the revolution. The world of work is evolving, and those who adapt will thrive. Embrace the power of ChatGPT and take your side hustle to new heights. ChatGPT can help you achieve your goals. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale, this AI assistant provides the support you need to succeed. It can help you find financial freedom. With the right tools and strategies, financial independence is within reach. ChatGPT is here to guide you on that journey. Are you ready to start? The future is now, and the opportunities are endless. Embrace ChatGPT as your secret weapon and unlock your full potential. You might be wondering, what exactly is ChatGPT? Well, let me take you on a journey to understand this revolutionary tool. Simply put, it's like having a super smart assistant. It uses artificial intelligence to help you with a variety of tasks, making your life easier and more efficient. This AI has been trained on a massive amount of data, encompassing a wide range of topics and information. Imagine having access to a vast library of knowledge at your fingertips. This means ChatGPT can understand your requests with remarkable accuracy. Whether you're asking for information, seeking advice, or needing assistance with a task, ChatGPT is there to help. It can also generate human-quality text, making it an invaluable tool for content creation, communication, and more. But how does this translate to profit? Let's explore some practical applications. Imagine this. You need to write a blog post. Crafting engaging content can be time-consuming and challenging. ChatGPT can create a first draft for you, providing a solid foundation that you can then refine and personalize. This saves you valuable time and effort. Do you need to respond to emails? We all know how quickly our inboxes can fill up. ChatGPT can write professional replies, ensuring that your communication is clear, concise, and effective. It can even generate creative content ideas, sparking inspiration when you're feeling stuck or need a fresh perspective. This frees up your time, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your life and work. You can focus on other tasks that require your unique skills and attention, maximizing your productivity and efficiency. You can focus on marketing your side hustle, developing strategies to reach a wider audience and grow your business. You can spend more time with family and friends, enjoying the moments that truly matter. The possibilities with ChatGPT are truly remarkable. From automating mundane tasks to enhancing your creative projects, the potential is limitless. ChatGPT is a tool for everyone. Whether you're a student, a professional, an entrepreneur, or someone with a side hustle, ChatGPT can be your partner in success. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. It's user-friendly and accessible, designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate. It's like having a secret weapon in the competitive world of side hustles. With ChatGPT by your side, you can achieve more, stress less, and unlock new opportunities for growth and success. Content is king in the online world. Businesses need engaging content to capture the attention of their audience and keep them coming back for more. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, the need for high-quality content is universal. This content can be blog posts that provide valuable information, insights, and updates to your readers. Blog posts are a great way to establish your authority in your industry and keep your audience informed. It can be social media updates that engage your followers, spark conversations, and build a community around your brand. Social media is a powerful tool for reaching a wider audience and creating a loyal following. It can even be website copy that clearly communicates your brand's message, values, and offerings. Your website is often the first impression potential customers have of your business, so it's crucial to make it count. Creating this content takes time, effort, and a lot of creativity. It can be a daunting task, especially when you're juggling multiple responsibilities and deadlines. It can also be expensive, requiring resources that might be better spent elsewhere. Hiring writers, designers, and marketers can quickly add up, putting a strain on your budget. This is where ChatGPT comes in. As an advanced AI language model, ChatGPT can help you create a wide variety of content quickly and efficiently. ChatGPT can write different types of content, from blog posts and social media updates to website copy and more. Its versatility makes it an invaluable tool for any content creator. It can adapt its style to your needs, whether you need a formal tone for a business report or a casual conversational tone for a blog post. ChatGPT can match your brand's voice and style effortlessly. Need a funny product description? ChatGPT can do it. Its ability to understand context and generate creative content makes it perfect for crafting engaging and entertaining copy. Need a serious blog post about finance? ChatGPT can do that too. It can handle complex topics and generate well-researched, informative content that resonates with your audience. ChatGPT can do that too. Its ability to understand and generate content on a wide range of topics makes it a versatile tool for any industry. Let's say you want to start a blog about healthy cooking. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm recipe ideas, write engaging posts, and even suggest ways to promote your content. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm recipe ideas, ensuring that your content is fresh, exciting, and appealing to your audience. It can even write the entire blog post, saving you time and allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business. All you have to do is add your personal touch. ChatGPT provides the foundation, and you can customize it to reflect your unique voice and perspective. With ChatGPT, you can produce high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Its advanced algorithms ensure that the content is coherent, engaging, and tailored to your needs. This frees up your time, allowing you to focus on other important tasks. Whether it's strategizing, networking, or simply taking a break, ChatGPT gives you the freedom to do more. You can focus on growing your audience, building relationships, and creating a strong online presence. ChatGPT handles the content, so you can handle the connections. You can focus on building your brand, developing your products, and expanding your reach. ChatGPT supports your content needs, allowing you to concentrate on what you do best. ChatGPT helps you become a content-creating machine, streamlining your workflow and enhancing your productivity. With ChatGPT, the possibilities are endless.